Yeah, I'll start my without introduction. So actually, yeah, I have almost 12 certifications, and I certified application architect level. And coming to the straight point, so today we are I'll cover here like what is the cloud computing and what is the CRM, what is the Salesforce, what is the difference between sandbox and production, and what is the different career paths in Salesforce and job opportunities and different type of certification what we have in Salesforce. I'll try to cover these points. Now, first thing, what is the cloud computing? Simple. Cloud computing is a nothing but internet computing. Instead of our local machine saving any data, we can do everything on cloud through internet. So like storing and accessing the data over the internet. So why we need to discuss about cloud computing means Salesforce supports cloud computing, right? So now we have different type of cloud computing models in like different type of cloud computing models, like infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. So we have network as a service and data as a service, like different type of cloud computing models we have. But Salesforce supports only two, like software as a service and platform as a service. So like Salesforce suppose these two kind of cloud computing things, and where how can we use this SaaS and PaaS? Let's see in further. Okay, so the simple example, SaaS means software we give the as a service to the customer end user. PaaS means platform as a service, like we'll give the some platform to the developer to develop some things, or like some different kind of things. Like for example, if we say if general example, if we take like earlier we have, if you want to play any video in our local machine or like laptop, we have to use like VLC player or KMP player like that. But we have now Amazon Prime or Netflix, that is a platform without support of any media player. It will play directly browser itself if you take like subscription. So that is a one type of platform. Like, but in Salesforce point of view, pass where we can use force.com, we can use there. So there we can develop our applications, or like or apex classes, apex triggers, or like that. So let's see in depth further. Now, what is the CRM? CRM means customer relationship management. Simple. What is the customer relationship management? In simple terms, we can maintain relationship with the customer, current customers or future customers or past customers through like interact like phone calls or emails or meetings or social media to growth or business, right? So Salesforce is a one of the major CRM tool. So Salesforce got major revenue from the CRM only. So we have other CRMs as well, like Microsoft CRM, Sugar CRM, SAP CRM, Oracle CRM. So these many CRMs we have in the market, but Salesforce is the number one CRM still. Why it is number one? Let's see in further. In the last slide, I'll try to explain you that point. Right now, what is the customer relationship management life cycle, or like what we have in the Salesforce point of view? Actually, here you see some like tabs type, right? These are all the Salesforce objects. You don't worry what is the object and what is the application, what is the field, we'll discuss in depth. Just listen now. Except Yamaha, all the Salesforce objects. What happened in the Salesforce? Let's see. Yamaha is one of the company. Think that Yamaha releasing one new bike. What they will do first? They will advertise, right? We have the special features with our bike compared to the other other bikes. We have special features, and we'll provide you at this cost, like that. They will we can call that one campaign, right? So if while we advertising or while we doing campaigning, if anyone interested in our product, that person we can call as a lead. Okay, lead, not at a customer. Lead, not at a customer, just he is interested on our product. Okay, so if he like our bike and our futures or like that, then he will come to our showroom and he will try to purchase the our bike. Then we saw that person is as a opportunity, right? So if you purchase the bike, then he is our customer. To maintain that customer, we have to take his detail on contact object, and in further he need any support or like that, through case update the customer will raise the case, and through solution update will provide the solution, support. Okay, solution, like just leave it about these two tabs. I forget to delete that. Okay, this is the general life cycle. Any general point of view, like any product, just company brings that, like first they will give the advertisement, and after that try to attract the customer, and after selling that give the support, right? This is a general life cycle of the CRM. Now now here there's a main point. What is the Salesforce, right? Forget about that CRM, that all things we'll discuss in depth and further. Now simply, what is the Salesforce, when it is started, why it is so famous, right? Now let's see. SFDC means abbreviation is Salesforce.com. Was officially launched in 1999, founded by Mark Benioff. Right? Salesforce.com is the number one on-demand CRM in the market. Why it is number one? Let's see. First thing is it is a cloud computing technology. Cloud computing technology means like everything we'll do on the cloud. There's no storage on local machine, there is no software to install. Let's see, for example, if you take Java developer or like C, right? So to run the C program we have to install the Turbo C. To run the Java program we have to install the JDK tools or something. To run the Salesforce programs or to build the Salesforce application, we no need to install any single software. Simply we need to log into our Salesforce account, like as will log into Gmail, right? With username and password, like that. We'll log into Facebook, right? We'll log into like wherever we have subscription, we'll log in, right? Like that. Simply you will give your username and password. Simply log into that, do your work, and after that log out from there. So
So do
involve,
we
yeah,
prior experience working on the cloud?
sorry.
Do we need a prior experience working on the cloud to work on Salesforce cloud?
Yeah.
Okay. So what is the Salesforce cloud? Is it supporting some major cloud platforms, AWS, Azure, GCP, like that, or Salesforce has its own cloud?
Yeah, Salesforce have different clouds, like Sales Cloud, Marketing Cloud, Service Cloud, right? To track the sales, we have Sales Cloud. To track the give the support for the existing customer, we have the Service Cloud. To marketing, we have Marketing Cloud. That is another picture actually. So we have to go for the in depth to understand actually what the thing. It's simply just I'm saying like it's a cloud computing technology. It's available on cloud. No need to install any software and any hardware. So the cloud wise, we have different clouds for the different platforms.
Okay, got it.
Okay, right. Now the thing is, no need to install any software and no need to install any hardware also. Like I mean, hardware installation means like the particular RAM size and ROM size. There is no simple in our machine. If we have the internet and if we have the browser, then we'll do the Salesforce work in anywhere, in any machine in the world, anywhere. Now you can develop your own application in Salesforce, or else if you need any application on demand, you can purchase from the App Exchange. Simple. If you want to develop any own application, you can develop from the Salesforce application, Salesforce, or on demand. If you need urgently, you can buy from the App Exchange. What is App Exchange? Simple. In App Exchange means the Google Play Store we have, right? Or in Mac wise, like Apple side, we have App Store, right? What we'll do? Simple. There some softwares are there, we can purchase and we can install, we will do our work. Like that, Google Play Store and App Store type. App Exchange, we have Salesforce point of view. There, that is a market. App Exchange is a marketplace to sell our custom application or to buy the Salesforce applications. If you want to sell any application, App Exchange is the market. And if you want to buy on demand any application, App Exchange is the market. App Exchange means only we have Salesforce point of manage packages and applications, that all thing like as Play Store. Right. So Next one, force.com platform reduce the development cost because of we are using cloud, and we can deliver application in very short time compared to the if you build any application through Java or .NET. If it is take for example 6 months, with Salesforce we can deliver that same application like within 3 months. Why it is? I'll explain. Because if we have admin, there is without code, by point and clicks we can do some more things. Okay, let's see in further that one. Salesforce, by following the cloud approach, providing SaaS and PaaS, like means Salesforce supports SaaS and PaaS, but earlier later on now also it supports infrastructure as a service as well, right? This is the Salesforce thing. Till now, do you have any like doubts, or like you need any more explanation, Dandy, or like I mean?
I think it's good.
Yeah, I think
It's
forgot.
good. You can.
Yeah, I think you forget to delete this one, my tiny one. Yeah, in Salesforce we have actually majorly five modules: admin, Salesforce admin, Salesforce development, Salesforce integration, Salesforce lightning, Salesforce LWC. These five things are the major modules, and later on we have more like Salesforce uh, like marketing cloud, right? And view analytics, and the more things are we have, but majorly we have Salesforce admin, development, integration, lightning, and LWC. Okay, so what is the Salesforce admin? Simple point of view, I'll try to explain you. uh,
So we have to buy this from that
Sorry.
app store. No, this one. You said the Salesforce. All these are the apps, or what do you mean by apps? Salesforce apps.
Yeah, actually, this is an application, right? Salesforce providing the cloud. No need to install anything, right? If end user want to use, we need to purchase the licenses. Actually, not for the app. Actually, licenses will Salesforce provide licenses. So we have to purchase the licenses by user basis, or like team basis, or like that. They will provide the support. So here itself only we can create the application. No need to install in local machine. Let's say this is the app. I'll show you.
Okay.
Uh, Sales is the one of the standard application in the Salesforce. So this is a one application. Here sales means the customers, opportunities, leads, tasks. These are the objects. These are all the, we'll do something here like new customers we can track here, all customers, all thing will done on the like cloud only. No need to install any application, but we have to purchase the license based on the user. Make sense, Randy, or like you need more explanation?
So no, my question is, so you, I got the Salesforce license, so it
Mhm.
comes with all the apps, the sales, marketing, everything,
Yeah,
or the
yeah, it comes with the sales, service, marketing, community. Some of the standard applications comes with the standard applications and standard functionalities. Okay, but
Mhm.
we have to cross check that is sufficient to our business, or we need extra anything. If we need any extra things, that time we have to build our own with custom logics and with Apex and with coding,
Got it.
right? But it Salesforce itself, it provide the service and sales applications, but we have to check it is completely sufficient for the our business or not. We have to check that one.
So we have to do the customization for our business.
Yeah, we have availability for the customization. If we require any extra thing, then we'll do with the or customization
Okay.
through Apex and LWC, Lightning, that all things we have. Now come to the last point, previous point, Salesforce admin. Here admin means there is no code. Okay, just point and clicks, like setup, go to the object manager, like that, create new custom object, like that. We have to enter some data, right? And just say there is no code, small logics we have to build. The just point and clicks, there is no code, admin. And come to the Salesforce development. So wherever possibility there to build while building our application or like our custom things, First, we'll try with the admin. If not possible with the admin, with point and clicks, then we go moves to the development. In Apex Salesforce development, we have Apex language. Okay, like let's say Apex language. For example, if I open the ICICI Bank, this is a button, right? Login button. When I click on this, back in something happen. When I username I give and provided, when I click on the login button, like if the username password is correct, then it will permit to the login. Otherwise, it shows some error message. To build this UI, nowadays Salesforce using LWC. But backend the logic, what the verifying that backend logic will use the Apex. I'll try to explain the whole history of that Salesforce in coming next 5 minutes. But here in development, the backend will use Apex language. It's similar to core Java, and front end will use LWC nowadays. Previous we have used Visual Force pages, S controllers, and Aura components, but that all are the outdated. Now we will use LWC. Now, what is the Salesforce integration? Integration means we like for example, simple. We have Paytm application, right? Or any ICICI Bank application we have. So, or like Book My Show, this kind of things we have. So, for example, if you take Book My Show application, if you want to book a movie, what we will do generally, first we select city and theater, and after that movie, and after selection of proper seats, then when we click on the pay button, it will ask the payment process through net banking or UPI or debit card, whatever it may be. It will ask to select your bank. If I select the ICICI Bank, ICICI Bank application may be built on some other technology. HDFC may be built on some other technology. Different customers using different bank. But actually think that Book My Show used in the build in the Salesforce. Think that. But that time when we click on the when we select the like ICICI Bank, that time what will happen, from Salesforce to Book My Show to customer move to this ICICI Bank website, right? Server. So for that point of view, we have to use Salesforce integration. Like simple, we have to connect with Salesforce to other third-party servers and third-party server to the Salesforce. I think you got my point, right? Or you need any extra clarification?
So it supports any website it's developed on any technology. Still, Salesforce can integrate.
Yeah, like we have to integrate with like through tools, or like through customization as well, through REST and SOAP. But yeah, it will support to any. But we have to build with customization.
Okay.
We have MuleSoft Anypoint, and we have some paid that is a tool based integration. So maybe that will give the some like extension, but extra extent. But through customization, yeah, we'll do through REST and through SOAP using JSON. We can integrate with anything.
Okay. Got it.
Yeah, coming to the Salesforce Lightning and Salesforce LWC, just remember these keywords. Now I'll try to explain in clear what happened in from 2000 to 2007, right? That time Salesforce admin is the same, right? And development side, backend Apex is the same, but front end, right, wherever just now I show you like ICICI Bank, that website. So front end, they will build S controllers between 2000 to 2007. Backend they used Apex only, right? And after that, from 2007 to 2014, admin is same, development is same, in the Apex is the same, and instead of S controllers, they bring the Visual Force pages. Why? Already S controllers is there. Why they will bring Visual Force pages? Compared to the Visual Force pages, while building the UI user interface, S controller is the slow, and security purpose, compared to the S controllers, Visual Force pages provide the more security and more efficiency. So that's the reason they selected from 2017 to 14. They use Visual Force pages to build the UI. The backend is the same. Maybe we got some updates. And after 2014, what happened? They will bring the Aura component instead of Visual Force pages. Again, what happened? till 2014 generally we used through laptop any transaction, we used internet banking, that all things like think that. But after 2014 or around 2014 we got like mobile banking, mobile usage is more increased. But what happened, visual force pages are not supported to the mobile view. Think that if you build any application, that page will open happily in the desktop, but that page will not open through mobile if you open. So that is the main problem. That's the reason what happened, Salesforce brings the like this aura components. So through aura components, using of this HTML, JavaScript and CSS, they build the lightning components. So these lightning components supports mobile view, tab view, desktop view. So right, and they will provide the, it's a modern technology, but this is a open source. Again the problem, Apex is the Salesforce language, okay, and but this is a open source. Now it is free. Maybe later on, if they charge, we have to pay the license amount, hours, and like our customers as well. Then it is burden, right? So within these 2 years, what happened? Salesforce build their own technology called LWC, Lightning Web Component. So earlier, from 16 to 18, Salesforce developers build Lightning components through Aura. Now they build Lightning components through LWC, Lightning Web Components. Now what happened from 2018 to now, backend admin same and development backend logic we build through Apex only, but front end front end will we build the front end with LWC, Lightning Web Components. Now onwards they will give the just updates, but they not change the entire technology. Here they changed Visual Force page to Aura and S controllers and LWC. Now onwards they change only, they will give the only updates, but they not change the entire technology. Why? Because this is the Salesforce owned one, owned itself, they build LWC. Okay, and coming to the certifications, we have different type of certifications. So for the administrator, if you want to work the administrator 6 to 12 months, then you try to complete the basic administrator certification. After that, advanced admin we have, and CPQ specialist. Developer side we have platform developer 1 and platform developer 2, and architect level we have these many certifications, consultant. So yeah, Salesforce certification is a playing major role while we working the companies. So we Salesforce itself certified, we need to write the exam, certification exams. If we certified, then only they will provide some uh, some in-depth profiles. Again, profile, I think you don't know the profile. The profile controls the what user can do in the organization. Profile itself control. That is another picture. We have to go in depth to understand the profiles, and we have this many certifications in the Salesforce. And coming to the Salesforce career point of wise, we have Salesforce architect, developer, administrator, Salesforce data analyst, and Salesforce consultant, right? So we have more, but this is a basic things. And means not basic, architect is like more one, but we have this many career opportunities. And another last 5 minutes, another main point is why Salesforce is number one. Means Salesforce acquiring the continuously with different companies related to, or like Salesforce things like Slack acquired recently, Tableau, Velocity, Click, MuleSoft, Cube. These are all companies. More than these all companies, Salesforce are acquiring these all companies, and Salesforce giving yearly 3 times new features, like winter. Think that this is a 2023, right? Winter 23 they will give you some upgrades, new features. And summer 23 they will give the new feature as per the customer request, and customer uh, if customer require any new things, they will give the, and the next cycle. The yearly they will give winter, summer, spring, winter 23, summer 23, spring 23. Like if it is 2024, winter 24, summer 24, spring 24. So in every release they will give the new feature. It will won't interrupt the existing functionality. It will give the extra functionality. We can use that things. Okay, we have more, but yeah, I think it's already 30 minutes. So we have like different type of URLs to log in the production. We use this one to log in the sandbox. We'll use test.salesforce.com. Again, what is a sandbox and what is a production? This is a lengthy topic, but yeah, I think I'm done, Randy.
Like to have insight on the career.
Hmm.
So so it's a fresher, right? So
Hmm.
fresher entering the Salesforce. What is
Hmm.
the journey? How much time they need to get a job in Salesforce?
Yeah, simple. If we is fresher, like if we interested in coding, like if we actually a Salesforce developer have more career growth, but he have to learn the coding. So the candidate, if you're not interested to learn coding, only Salesforce administrator is enough, and he need to learn this and he try to for the job. But when compared to the developers, we have opening these administrator openings, we have less. Only just product based companies, MNC companies maintaining separate administrators. Why? Because Salesforce developer itself administrator. That means if company takes any Salesforce developer, like uh, he know administrator also. First we need to learn admin, then after developer, then after integration, then after LWC. But yeah, for the fresher to get the job within 3 months, he have to learn administrator, developer, and LWC. Yeah, he take 3 months to get the 3 months to take the training, and after that, based on his efforts and that all things, he'll get the job. The basic entry levels means Salesforce
What is the
administrator and developer.
so what is the technology that they had to learn? The programming side.
Yeah, the programming side, as I explained earlier, admin without coding. The programming side, Apex. This is a Salesforce language. It's similar to the core Java. We have to learn this, and we have to learn LWC. Okay, in the Salesforce development point of view, and after that, the integration also. It will take the advantage if he learns like REST API, SOAP API we have there. So in LWC again, JavaScript come to the picture, HTML come to the picture, XML come to the picture. Uh,
Hmm.
that guy, need to learn these all things.
So say without Java, is it possible to learn Apex?
Yeah, yeah. No, no. Actually, what I'm saying is, it's possible 100%. It's I'm saying similar to Java, core Java, like let's say syntax and object creation, but without Java also. I'll try to explain you the basic converts. Without Java also, no issue.
Got it. So what is the other route? The data analyst. So Salesforce data analyst doesn't have any coding, right?
Yeah, but for the fresher, they're not allowing these roles. The consultant, data analyst, and architect means he's very very senior. Like I think you know, right? The consultant, architect, data analyst also. The for the freshers, they are not allowing for these roles. They need to gain some experience.
Okay. What we are doing with the data here?
See, in Salesforce, like it's a CRM, right? Think that Bajaj Finance are using Salesforce, right?
Mm.
So here, what they're doing, their customers are having the Salesforce database, right? So
Oh,
there, like some customer backend will happen, like
so
customer information updated.
developer has nothing to do with data.
Yeah, he
Uh,
will also do, but he will implement the new logics. But data analysts do like data related things, only upgradation. But he will do the automation. How will we can decrease manual work, or like based on the logic, he will work on the logics. Simple thing. He
okay,
will also do data analyst work, but yeah, again,
got it.
the
Yeah.
consultant means between the client and technical team. They will provide uh, the proper information. They pass the proper information between the client and client to technical team.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this training helps on the career basis. I got that. And what about the certification? So after this course, they can try giving the certification. That might be added advantage for getting the job.
Yeah, absolutely. Because, like, the institution given certification, any company is not considering. Here, what happened? Salesforce itself, they were providing the certification. We have to write the exam. The multiple choice questions we have to attempt that exam through online by learning, and after that, if you pass the exam, definitely you have the advantage, because Salesforce itself certified he is a administrator, like he is a platform developer one, developer two is a very advanced one, JavaScript developer one, like that. The basic certifications is administrator, platform developer one, and app builder another one. We have to uh,
Okay,
yeah,
thank you.
it's take very advantage while getting the job, or like do the certification. And I know the process, and how to students get passed. Like I have 12 certifications. I know this process very well. I'll give the 100% guarantee to pass this Salesforce certification. But here the thing is, students need to register by paying $200 to the Salesforce. It's not a free.
Hmm.
We have to pay the $200 to the Salesforce company, and they will provide the one slot. That time we have to write the exam, but the pass wise, I'll give the 100% guarantee. Yeah, because I'll provide that type of training, and I'll support to pass the students.
Okay. Yeah, thank you. That's all I have.
Mhm.
Thanks, Venkat.
Yeah, thank you. Any other questions?